Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to install WooCommerce and set up a payment gateway in WordPress. To get started, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, select Add New, and search for WooCommerce. Click Install Now and then Activate. After activating, you'll be directed to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. Here you'll fill out essential details about your store, shipping, and tax information. In the Setup Wizard, you'll also choose your desired payment methods. WooCommerce supports a variety of gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and more. Now it's time to actually set up the payment gateway for WordPress. To integrate a specific payment gateway like Stripe with WooCommerce, you need to install the dedicated gateway plugin. Go back to your plugins menu, search for Stripe, and then install and activate the WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway plugin. Next, configure the settings by navigating to WooCommerce, selecting Settings, and clicking on Payments. Here you'll see your installed gateways. Toggle the Stripe button to activate it, then click on Enter Account Keys to input your API credentials and configure the settings. Now add your Stripe publishable and secret keys and click on the Save Live Keys button. Stripe payment is now fully set up. Finally, just make sure the Enable box is checked for your payment gateway and save your changes. If you're ready to start taking payments on your new store, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next.